In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a sparkline in Google Sheets. Sparklines are a great way to visualize data trends over a period of time within a single cell, making them perfect for dashboards or concise data analysis. Let's dive right in and guide you through the process step by step. First, we start by heading over to Google Sheets. If you haven't already, open up your browser and navigate to Google Sheets, ensuring you're logged into your account. Once you're there, open up a spreadsheet where you want to create the sparkline. You can also start a new spreadsheet if that suits your purpose better. Now, after you have your spreadsheet open, the next step is to select a cell where you intend to enter the sparkline. This selection is important because it's the cell where the sparkline will appear, giving you a neat visual representation of your data. Once you've chosen your preferred cell, you can proceed to enter the formula for generating a sparkline. In the selected cell, you'll type =sparkline. That's right, type out =sparkline without the quotes. You'll notice Google Sheets offers functions as you type, which makes the process quick and assures you're using the correct function name. This is absolutely practical, especially if you are already familiar with how formulas work in Google Sheets. Once you've typed these initial letters, you'll see the autocomplete suggestion appear. At this point, click on the suggested =spa function. This serves as a shortcut to continue the formula you're entering. After clicking, keep an eye out for the full function name, Sparkline, which should now be visible. Let's go ahead and click on Sparkline to confirm our selection and proceed to complete the formula. After successfully selecting Sparkline, we'll need to specify the data range that you want to visualize. Click and highlight the range of cells whose data you wish to represent. Remember, sparklines are particularly useful for showing trends, so choose a contiguous row or column of numeric data. This step is pivotal because the sparkline's effectiveness is directly tied to the data range you select. With the data range highlighted, let's finalize the formula by entering the full code for the sparkline, typically =sparkline data range. Substitute data range with your actual selected data range. Once your formula looks correct, press enter. Instantly, you should see a miniature graph displayed in the cell you initially selected. Congratulations, you've successfully created a sparkline in Google Sheets. This simple yet powerful feature can significantly enhance your data interpretation. Feel free to experiment by customizing your sparkline with different types and parameters to better suit your data set. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Be sure to check back for more tutorials on getting the most from Google Sheets and other useful tools.